What's going on? Welcome to the another session on Python series. So in this video, we will be covering upon what are f-strings in Python. So if you are new to f-strings in Python, then this is a video you should watch to learn. Okay, so let's start the session. So we will be creating a new file that will be a lecture 24. By the way, we are soon starting our lead code series as well. So if you want to follow that series, you can follow that. That will be very helpful for you. Okay, and one more thing, we will be providing a simple method as well as a old technique as well. And simple method, most of the places you will not get. You will get here if it is possible. We will providing you the simple methods as well. So let's start the session. Our topic is f-strings. For f-strings, why we are using f-strings? If you want to deal with some variables, and if we have some statement inside that we are using the variables, so then using the traditional one might have some issues. If you are using in most of the places, so it will be very difficult for you. If you want to change it later on, or it's a very headache kind of thing. If you will be doing that. So let's create a variable. I have some variable equal to mb equal to mb equal to meet. Okay, and second variable I have some aa equal to let's give it as name as what name I should give Sayuri. Okay, I have these two names. So how I can declare using the traditional method? Traditional method, if I have to do with the traditional method, what I have to do, let's create a variable a, and if I want to use this with some variable, so I will be using this where is this percentage, a percentage, and then I have to write the this whatever you can say variable name. If I run this, you can see I am getting the data. I'm getting the data, you can see I am getting the data. Okay, I'm back, percentage MB, but showing some error file in the module a. Okay, let me print this line, then show you. I didn't print this line. I think I'm getting some error. I think so. I'm not getting any error. I'm saying you can say okay, I'm back and meet. If I remove this, if you see a percentage s and then run it, I will be getting some error. I have to write a percentage s for string formatting and these things. And if I am using this percentage s, and you can see the percentage also variable name, I can use it for using some variable. It's a old technique. If I am doing this one, then it will be very difficult for me, because percentage might be inside this formatting when we are doing, or we are calling the variable, so it will be very difficult for us. So we have some other way, we can use that as well. Let me show you that way as well. I have this one. I can specify 0, 1. By the way, 0, 1 I am writing. So what will happen, it will show Meet first and then Sayuri 1. Okay, I can mention in here 1, but then I have to write one more line so that we can get the data. So for that we will be using a dot format function is there, and inside that I will be passing mb comma aa. Okay, and then if I print this, I will get the result. Okay, I am back, Meet and Sayuri. I can change the order as well. I can go with 1 and then I can go with 0. As per my flexibility, I can do that. So it will come, Sayuri will first come, and then Meet will come first. Meet will come last. This is one way of doing the one more way of working with variables and strings. And we have some f-strings, so let's cover that as well in our video. I have some x, so I have to write f. I will be writing here f, and then okay, I am back, and after that what I will be doing there, I can specify the variable name here like MB. Then again I have to write here AA. Let's run this. Okay, I have not printed anything. Let me print this. So you can see here, okay, I'm back, and then meat and savory. So in this video, like we covered upon what are f strings. For f string, you have to just write f, and in double quotes you can mention the strings, and inside that you can use this curly bracket, and then the variable name, and you can mention space and the variable name. If by the way, if you don't provide any space, I think you will not have any issue, but it will come like meat and savory will be combined in one way. So this video, like we covered upon f strings. If you like this video, like if it's helpful for you, you can surely like this video, and also check out the Hindi version of this video, like which will be uploaded after some time, or can be uploaded before as well. So over and